Good morning. This is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Starting off with some mostly cloudy conditions with clouds on the decrease, as we do have a warm front that lifted through the area early this morning and brought a few showers and storms across the local area during the overnight and early morning hours. We're seeing much of that activity clear of the area now. We do have a few showers just off to the south and moving eastward, and should remain dry as we move through our working hours today, with another chance of a shower or storm as we move into this evening. Current surface analysis shows that boundary just off to our east, and going to continue moving eastward. We'll see this other boundary off to the west dropping into the area this evening, and that's going to bring that next chance of a shower or storm, again mainly after the normal working hours today. Current conditions: seeing a broken deck at 11,000 feet, broken at 25,000 feet, winds out of the west at around 7 knots, temperature 77 degrees, relative humidity is at 84%. Current visible satellite as well as the composite radar here, we can see do have that cloud cover off to the south and just over the local area, moving off to the east, and some clearing, a patch of some clearing just to our north and northwest, and we'll see that moving in as we move through the day today. We'll likely see some additional clouds building in for the afternoon, and then some additional clouds as that front approaches later this evening. Composite radar here showing just some light reflectivity off to the southeast and further off to the south, and again that's moving eastward, so it should stay clear of the area as we move through our morning. We'll look at the high resolution model for how things play out today. As mentioned, we'll see that shower activity continue moving eastward, with things remaining mainly dry as we move through the day today. Going into the evening, we will start to see that boundary approach, and we can see this model not quite as bullish as some of the other models, but still showing some showers and possibly a thunderstorm popping up ahead of that boundary as it pushes through. That looks to be the best chance after 10 p.m. this evening, and then should see that wrapping up as we pass the 4 a.m. time frame. Could see some patchy mist around after that activity to start the day on Tuesday. Overall, Tuesday, we'll see once again warmer conditions, and we'll have a chance of an afternoon pop-up shower, maybe even a thunderstorm, as you can see indicated here by the model. This particular model has it popping up a bit later and closer into the evening time frame, but nonetheless that chance will be there as we move through the afternoon hours of our Tuesday, and then we'll see things finally dry up and get a quieter day as we move into the day on Wednesday. We'll still be somewhat warm, but a bit more seasonable for our Wednesday, and things looking mainly dry through the day Wednesday, but we will see some rain chances returning as we get into the later portion of the week. 24-hour weather risk chart for today. Again, green conditions as we move through the day today. We'll see some hot conditions with a high around 88 degrees. We'll see heat index values up into the 90s, and we'll see winds steady out of the west-southwest to west around 8 to 13 knots this afternoon, and we'll see a chance of a ceiling developing around 4,000 feet as we get into the afternoon hours, so a mix of partly to mostly cloudy skies expected. As we go into the evening, we just start to introduce that yellow risk for precip and lightning, again as we pass that 22 local time frame, with that chance of a shower or storm pushing through the area. We'll see winds fairly light as we move through the overnight, and we'll see our low temperature bottoming out around 74 degrees. And we do introduce the yellow risk for some reduced ceilings and visibilities during that last time frame here, for a chance of any patchy mist or low clouds after that shower activity pushes through. Tides are running normal, and our Tuesday keeping a yellow chance for precip and lightning, with that chance of a pop-up afternoon shower or maybe even an evening shower or storm. We'll see once again a warmer day with a high of 87 degrees, and we'll see a mix of partly to mostly cloudy conditions at times. Things become partly cloudy as we go into Tuesday evening. Slight chance of patchy mist once again before dawn. We'll see our low temperature down around 71 degrees. And as we go into Wednesday, fairly quiet day, partly cloudy with a high around 86 degrees. That's going to wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.